Hi, this is an unboxing video for the Google Pixel 4 XL in the Just Black option. This was ordered from the Google Store and shipped to Canada. I'll take you through what's inside the box, show you how it physically compares to the first Google Pixel XL, the Google Pixel 2 XL, and an iPhone 7. Later I'll turn it on, but I won't go through setting it up. So here we have the phone. This is the tool to open the SIM card tray. The user guide explains how to set up the phone, including transferring in data from another phone. And then this is a safety, warranty, and regulatory guide for the phone. Here's the 18-watt USB-C power adapter. This is the charging cable. Finally, there's the quick switch adapter, which you can use to help transfer data from another phone. The charging cable is only 3 feet or so long. You can also wirelessly charge the phone. Alright, time for the main course. Actually, 2 more things. Of note, the phone does not include Pixel USB-C earbuds, ditto the USB-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter. Those came with the Pixel 3 XL, however. Here's how the phone compares to the first Google Pixel XL. And the Pixel 2 XL. Physically, they're relatively similar. The 4 is the tallest, and on first use, it feels the slipperiest. This is the iPhone 7. It's definitely smaller. Let's take a closer look at the Pixel 4. Up top there's a speaker, and a little to the left you have the front camera. The white button is the power button, and a little below that are the volume buttons. On the back there are 2 cameras and an LED flash, among other things. There's the SIM card tray, which I'll open momentarily. Here you have the bottom speaker and microphone. The USB-C port is in the middle. That little hole is for the top microphone. I'm using that tool I showed earlier to open the SIM card tray. Voila! Here are a few more looks at the phone. Finally, let's see how long it takes to get to the setup screen. There we go. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. I'll try to post some videos taken using the phone in the coming days.